Hello everyone, welcome to our new and another vlog weekend. It's the Sunday and weekend has been finished, done, and it's 5:30 or 5:40 p.m. right now, and we are gonna go and watch the movie called Avatar, and it's very amazing movie. Heard that it's a second part of the Avatar movie or third part of the Avatar movie. It's in the 4DX, and if you are new, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This vlog gonna come tomorrow morning, maybe 9:30 p.m. I mean 9:30 p.m. not at night. So please turn on your alarms and please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to all, especially if you are new. And please watch my vlog full. Let's go and let's start this vlog. I'll see you guys soon. After a
This
few
is the
minutes,
3D
I'm gonna
glasses
just change these
and the
clothes
movie is in
because
3D
not going to wear this
cinema, so
clothes
that's why
as
we
well
got these
in the
glasses.
theater.
And the
So
seats
let's get
were
ready.
amazing. You can see it was shaking too much,
Okay,
and this
so
is the
finally I
new
am ready
cinema.
and
It's
it's
open
almost
in
6 p.m. Let's have
bit
one cup of tea
located in
and
Times Square,
let's wear
Regal,
clothes
and it's
and
very
I'll
full.
see you
And the
guys in the
house
theater.
was theater was very full. You can see behind me, many people are sitting in the on the seats, and this was the movie scenes. We left early because movie was not too good, I will say, and I didn't watch part 1 and part 2, and I was not getting understand about the Avatar Fire and Ash. Our home is showing that we will arrive at home maybe in 15 minutes to Queens. It's not too far. It was like 30 minutes because of the traffic. As you know, NYC is the most busiest city in the world and most famous city, by the way. So we'll see you after arriving at home. And the best part of the movie was nothing much, and the seat was amazing. As I said, 10 out of 10. This was the first experience in the Regal Theatre. If you wanna go and watch, you may go, especially if you are watching the Avatar Fire and Ash movie. This is the experience.
Thousand years later.
Oh, oh my god. So finally we are back home and it's 10:45 p.m. right now. I'm gonna continue this video until tomorrow morning because I'm thinking to go New Jersey. I have some work in New Jersey. I will give around like 5.5 out of 10 about this Avatar movie. I know it's a Hollywood movie, but the seats were very pretty good, and it was looking like I'm sitting in the real life in the studio. And there is only action, only fighting like a Bollywood movie like Dhurandhar, you can say. But this is the Hollywood movie. I know people will say that why you give the 5.5 out of 10 review, because I don't really like this movie. We left early before 10 p.m. Movie gonna you can see it's 10:45 almost, and movie going to be finished like 10 p.m. So we left early, so we came early at home, and there were too much traffic in Manhattan, Brooklyn, and Bryant Park, so that's why we came early. Please, please, please watch this vlog until the end. I'm gonna off the comments because nobody is commenting on my vlogs, so I'm gonna off the comments tomorrow. Maybe on Tuesday I'm gonna post this video. So I'll see you guys after 24 hours.
24 hours later.
Okay, welcome back to our second day of the video, and it's almost 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon, and it's the second day. You can see weather looks good, and I'm not gonna repeat this again. And we will leave for New Jersey at 3 p.m. sharp. I'm not sure because my brother is sleeping and he's literally tired. He's working from 6 a.m. in the morning, so he went to sleep, and I'm not sure. I'm talking very slowly because I am the only one in the room, in this room, so the voice was like too loud, and I'm wearing the hearing aids, so I have to speak slowly and calmly so I can know what I am speaking. And I'm sorry for this voice. For the ambulance, the vlog has been started already from yesterday. Why I leave the movie from earlier? Because I don't like that movie Avatar, because I haven't watched the part 1 and the part 2, so that's why I gave 5.5 5.5 review out of 10. That's why we left early. I didn't expect that it's a Hollywood movie, and I was watching the Avengers Doomsday trailer also. I'm very excited to watch that movie, Avengers Doomsday. So let's see when, maybe next year it's going to be released on 2026 with Grand Theft Auto 6. So let's meet maybe in few minutes at 4 p.m. in the car. Right now, finally, we are in the New Jersey, and I came to AAA to say take something. Let's go inside in the AAA wholesale. I have shown this before also, and let's take something and let's go back home. So I came in Dave&Basters. You can see this is the Dave&Basters. It's too big, by the way, because of Christmas. It's okay, Suga. See, this is too big. The Dave&Basters. This is the gaming area and sitting area in the bar area. This is the buffet. This is very big and large. The music is going on the background. That's why you cannot hear me. But this is huge. Let's end this vlog here. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe my video, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care and bye bye.